Let us solve this problem. The left hand side is 3 power 4y squared minus 81 equals to log of 10. So it's log of 10 and the base is not given. You take it as base of 10. That means log 10 to base 10. Let's continue again. So you have 3 power 4y squared minus 81 equals to log 10 to base 10. Since the log and the number are the same, so we take this one to be 1. And any number raised to power 1 is 0. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. So instead of 1, when I write 3 to power 0, the help are working. So this one will not cancel out. So the power now becomes equation. The power is now becomes 4y squared minus 81 equals to 0. So we are getting a perfect quadratic equation. We can solve it now. And by making this one can be solved by the basis of 2 squared. So let's rearrange this one now. This one is like 2 squared y squared minus this 81 to bring as 9 squared, which will equal to 0. So you can still write this one as 2y all squared minus 9 squared equals to 0. So we can write it as 2y plus 9 multiplied by 2y minus 9 all equals to 0. If this is true, either 2y plus 9 equals to 0 or 2y minus 9 equals to 0. So from here, y equals to minus 9 over 2 or y equals to 9 over 2. And that is the final answer. Please share this video.